National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sussex County in southern Delaware, southwestern Kent County in central Delaware, Talbot County in eastern Maryland, south central Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, Caroline County in eastern Maryland, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wine Mills to Hamilton to near Taylor's Island, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. These storms will impact recovery effort across Sussex County. Locations impacted include Easton, Georgetown, Milford, Seaford, Denton, Millsboro, Laurel, Harrington, Lewis, Federalsburg, Milton, Selbyville, Bridgeville, Delmer, Trapp, Dagsboro, Preston, Millville, Elendale, and Henlopen Acres. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central and southern Delaware and eastern and northeastern Maryland. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent, and Sussex, and the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Queen Anne's, and Talbot. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, Cape May County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Barnegat to Mays Landing to near Fort Task, moving east at 60 miles per hour. The storm recently produced a 58 miles per hour wind gust at Millville. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Atlantic City, Millville, Ocean City, Cape May, Cumberland, Barnegat, Pleasantville, Summers Point, Ventnor City, Brigantine, Northfield, Absecon, Margate City, Egg Harbor City, North Wildwood, Laurel Lake, Tuckerton, Wildwood Crest, Woodbine, and Sea Isle City. This includes the following highways: Garden State Parkway between mile marker 0 and 74, Atlantic City Expressway between mile marker 0 and 19. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southern New Jersey. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southern New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, Cape May, Cumberland, and Ocean.